Hello everyone, we have started a new channel which is called Tech Jobs. This is our new channel and I have started this channel just to help out the professional outside the market who are looking out for a job. This is only for technical professionals who are into IT industries. I have started this channel just to help out the IT professional who are looking out for job change. There are a lot of people in the market who doesn't know how to apply for a job and who doesn't have the time to go through in Naukri profiles. So that's why I have started this channel. So in this first video, I am going to post a requirement which is related to Java. So I need Java backend developers basically who has good hands-on experience in doing coding. So coding is very important for a Java developer. If you are a strong coder, then please do apply for this opportunity. I need people from Kerala to Delhi. I don't have any constraint. Okay, if you are anywhere in India, you can apply for this opportunity. Location is not a constraint. In terms of compensation, it is also not a constraint. We can do the best in the market. With regards to any other doubts, you can reach me directly in my email ID or you can DM me in my Instagram. I can respond you back, but not immediately. Most questions which asked by the Java developer is, what is the role? Is that a backend developer or full stack? Yes, it is a backend developer. A person who has good experience in any framework such as Spring or MVC, and Hibernate will be an added advantage. And if you have good communication skill, that will be an added advantage. That is more than enough for us. We are not expecting a super duper candidate for this requirement. And I work in an organization where 3 lakh employees are currently associated with, which is a very big software company. It is not a small company or a staffing company. So it is a pure IT service based company where I am working. I am not supposed to disclose this company name. So that's why I am doing this video. You directly reach me in my email ID. I'll give you more info about this opportunity. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe this channel for more job related videos.